welcome all of you today to this economic forum and would like to commence the event with a video presentation on Uzbekistan's investment opportunities.
Uzbekistan became the first Central Asian country
最近的乌兹别克斯坦共和国是它已经是我们总理和加贺家镇都灵国家的宗教是天之的